Hey there, tech wizards and gadget gurus. Welcome to Best World Tech, and we are thrilled to have you join me once again on our high-speed adventure through the world of innovation and all things tech. In today's episode, we're diving headfirst into a realm where science fiction meets reality, where ones and zeros dance to create wonders beyond imagination. Number 1. Starfed Electric Peeler. Peeling is quick and easy with the electric potato peeler. It peels just the skin without wasting any of the nutritious part of the vegetable. Plop on a potato, peel it, and pare it in 10 seconds flat. The electric potato peeler instantly peels at the push of a button. It stops automatically when the peeling is over, using the height adjustment level. Raise the cutter arm so that it rests on top of food to be peeled. Grasp food and using a gentle back and forth rocking motion. Remove food from bottom food holder pulling towards you. Turn on the appliance by pressing on the red button. The skin peels off in one clean, continuous curl. The appliance will stop automatically when the cutter arm reaches the bottom. This can be a surprising gift for any kitchen. Number 2. Brita Water Dispenser. Drink cleaner. Great tasting tap water with this Brita Water Dispenser. The 9-cup reservoir and the 18-cup body add up to an extra large capacity. That makes this water filtration system perfect for busy families, sports teams, and offices, while the space-efficient design allows for. Number 3. Mini Donut Maker. Get creative with the Dash Express Mini Donut Maker. Make cute, tasty mini donuts at home in no time. Perfect for snacking, entertaining, and more. Just plug it in, add your choice of batter, and you're ready to cook. Dual surfaces heat evenly for consistent, delicious results, and the non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze. Mini donuts can be frosted, glazed, and decorated for a fun-filled project the whole family will love. It can make 7 delicious donuts at once that you can enjoy anytime with your family. Number 4. Vegan Serve Maker. If you can slice and freeze fruit, you can use the Yonena's Fruit Soft Serve Maker. The Yonena's Deluxe Frozen Treat Maker allows you to make wholesome, delicious dairy-free and vegan desserts in just minutes with no added fats, sugars, or additives needed. Let the frozen fruit thaw 7 to 10 minutes. And begin inserting fruit into the Yonena's Deluxe machine. Enjoy your Yonena's, and when you're done, cleanup is a breeze with top rack dishwasher safe components. Number 5. Spice Measure Carousel. Modernize your kitchen with innovative spice carousels and an assortment of adjustable measuring tools. Our adjustable measuring cups and spoons can do the job of an entire measuring set, allowing you to declutter your drawers and simplify your time baking or cooking. TH's spice carousels can store up to 12 different spices. Each canister can dispense spices in 1/4 TSP amounts, or spice can be poured from the spout. Includes 12 removable spice compartments on a rotating base, and 55 spice labels mounts under a cabinet or shelf, or fully stackable for easy storage. Number 6. Waffle Maker. Get ready for more of a good thing with the Cuisinart Classic Waffle Maker. Bake delicious waffles fast with this gleaming stainless steel appliance, non-stick plates, indicator lights, and a regulating thermostat make operation easy, while the 5-setting browning controls mean your waffle will always be baked to perfection. Top chocolate waffles with ice cream for an update on the ice cream sandwich. Or try cheddar cheese and chive waffles as an out-of-the-ordinary complement to soup or chili. It's time to break away from breakfast. Never take your waffle maker apart for cleaning. Simply brush crumbs from grooves and absorb any excess cooking oil by wiping with a dry cloth or paper towel. You may clean the grids by wiping with a damp cloth to prevent staining and sticking from batter or oil buildup. It only takes 5 minutes to make amazing waffles for your guests. Number 7. Dry Fruit Dispenser. The portion control wall-mounted SmartSpace triple dispenser provides convenience for anyone looking to maximize space in the kitchen. By securing the dispenser to the wall, you can create additional storage without having it getting in the way on the countertops. Plus, the dry foods inside are now easily accessible with just a twist of the handle. The included measuring cup fits on each canister, making it easy to work into your cooking routine. This dispenser is a space-efficient accessory for every kitchen, and each dispenser holds 13 ounces of dry food. It is suitable for a wide variety of dry foods such as cereal, trail mix, candy, granola to nuts, beans, or rice. Number 8. Multi-purpose kitchen rack. Ever been annoyed by the dishcloth hanging from the faucet? Even about the messy, wet sponge lying around in the sink? Both are the biggest germ traps in the kitchen. And Drip Dotline has something to help. The smart telescopic sink caddy made of stainless steel and silicone allows dishcloth and sponge to dry airy and hygienic after a proper wash. Due to the telescopic function, Drip Dotline fits any sink. Number 9. Portable dishwasher. If you're short on space in your kitchen, a comfy countertop dishwasher will save the day. No need to call out a plumber to install the dishwasher because you can connect it to the built-in water tank or faucet yourself. Compact and affordable as it is, this mini dishwasher holds up to 30 items. A shorter wash cycle only takes 40 minutes. For lightly soiled dishes and a quick wash, the quick wash setting uses less water and electricity. Automatic temperature control for washing temperature-sensitive glass. The dishwasher automatically heats the water to the ideal temperature to wash your glass. This process gives a sparkling, spot-free result. Number 10. Electric knife. The ideal combination of performance and versatility. The Cuisinart electric knife features a powerful motor and a full-size stainless steel blade to make short work of any slicing task. Serrated for cutting action and dishwasher safe, the blade slices meats and bread with speed and precision. The ergonomic, non-slip handle and one-touch on or off control make this knife especially easy to operate, equipped with a 5-foot cord to carve right at the table. Its ergonomic handle makes it comfortable for right and left-handers to maneuver with ease. Number 11. 3-in-1 breakfast station. The Nostalgia 3-in-1 breakfast station is the ultimate appliance for whipping up a delicious and hearty meal for the whole family. This breakfast station combines a 4-cup coffee maker, a large non-stick griddle, and a multifunctional toaster oven. The coffee maker effortlessly brews up your favorite coffee, while the large electric griddle's non-stick surface is perfect for cooking a variety of breakfast, meats, and eggs. The toaster oven can hold up to 4 slices of bread at a time and is also suitable for small frozen pizzas, hot sandwiches, desserts, and more. And there you have it, the exciting world of technology laid out before us, from groundbreaking innovations to the latest trends. If you found this video insightful or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.